Hello there, this is Diatom Dave at Fun Science Cheltenham. We're a brand new service to Gloucestershire offering science-themed birthday parties, after-school clubs, holiday clubs and workshops for youth groups all around the county. Our chemistry, biology and physics sessions support the national curriculum and are as fascinating as they are fun. I've been doing 3 bubble-themed experiments over 3 different videos. This is the 3rd video and the final one in the series. This is where things get exciting. This is a gas called butane. It's very, very flammable, which is why this one is not one for children to do by themselves, or at all, possibly just one to watch. So, what I'm going to do, I've got my soapy solution, I'm going to take my butane and I'm going to make butane bubbles. There you go. Can you see the bubbles there? Oh yes, get a handful of bubbles there. There you go. There are the bubbles. So if we take a kitchen match and we touch it to the bubbles, what do you think will happen? 3, 2, 1. Woo! The safest way to see that again would just be to rewind this video. And then, why not click share and send it on to your friends? If you do want some safe experiments to try at home, you should definitely check out our at-home kits. You can find them through our Facebook page, which is facebook.com/funscicheltenham. We are also taking party bookings for this year and next. We have all sorts of topics from sweets and surprises to chemical chaos. We have explosions, we do rockets, we do all kinds. You can find out much more on our website, which is fun-science.org.uk. Thank you for tuning in to my 3 little videos all about bubbles. I hope you enjoyed them, and I hope to see you at a birthday party, after-school club or holiday club very soon. My name is Diatom Dave, and this has been a presentation of Fun Science Cheltenham. Bye-bye. That's one of my favourites, that one. Oh, that stinks.